Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm unboxing the Daily Goodie box for the month of September, and I have the description box information below so you can read that, and I'm just going to jump right into the box. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this Wonder drink. So if you've heard of kombucha, kombucha is a fermented tea drink. I love the matte finish packaging on this. Very nice packaging as well, very fancy looking. And it is the flavor apple mint. It claims that it is naturally flavored. It is USDA organic, and it doesn't have that much sugar compared to other kombuchas. It has 10 grams. I don't know if that's before or after it's been fermented, because after it's fermented, there's even less sugar because the bacteria or yeast has already eaten it. So anyway, 10 grams regardless is still not that bad. And it has green tea and black tea, and it has about, how much caffeine does it have? It doesn't have that much caffeine in here. I think it's like 35 milligrams or so, or like 15, so not that bad. Okay. This is Bunches of Crunches Superfood Granola. I've had this brand before. This is the dark chocolate sea salt with chia seeds. And this stuff is so good. It is so addicting, but it's also like satisfying compared to other granolas. But I could still eat like cups and cups of this stuff. So this has a bunch of grains, gluten-free oats, amaranth, millet, and then a bunch of the other typical granola stuff, brown rice, oil, some nuts, chia seeds. Of course, the mysterious natural flavors. But otherwise, this is a really nice travel size pack, and this stuff is very, very delicious. I also got two, not one, but two of these original pour over coffees by the brand Twin Peaks. So this is 100% Colombian coffee. There's nothing else, but basically you open the pouch and you use these little hangers. It kind of looks like a it reminds me of a Demogorgon or a spider. So you hang this on the side of a cup and you just put hot water and it steeps itself. So it's really easy for travel. Moving on. Let's go ahead with these because these are taking up a lot of space. So this is the ECOLIXIR 100% natural facial oils. They sent me one of the daily facial oil, which is Kakadu plum seed, which I've never even heard of. And it also has radish seed, chia oil, pomegranate seed, orange oil, lemon oil, pink grapefruit. And this is like a little convenient recyclable container. I like the fact that this is eco-friendly because, you know, ECOLIXIR, it should be eco-friendly as well. And then they also sent a cleansing oil, which is African marula oil. So this one has pumpkin seed oil in it, as well as argan oil, grapeseed, and sandalwood and clay sage oil, and frankincense for the scents. So I like the black and white. It looks very sophisticated, and I'm interested to try this because a lot of these oils are good for the skin. Oh, never mind. They did send two of the daily facial ones. Then I also got two of these, and I tried both of them already. This is the Endo Sleep Support Aid. So it's supposed to be like CBD, but it's beyond CBD because it has extra ingredients like their proprietary complex, passion flower, extract, pharma GABA, and magnolia. So these are supposed to be taken 30 minutes before bed, and they're supposed to help you relax and help you fall asleep. I had a lot of insomnia over the last few days, so I tried both of these. I took both soft gels, and I would say like I was already kind of getting tired before I decided to take this, and it took an hour, and the first time I took it, I wasn't tired, and this didn't do anything for me. So I would say that maybe like it takes at least an hour to work, if it works at all, but I don't think it worked for me. And yeah, there's two black soft gels. The ingredients are not the greatest. I mean, it has modified food starch, sorbitol, carrageenan. There's a lot of mixed research though about CBD, so I'm not really sure if CBD works or not. Some people say it does, some people say it doesn't. I guess it just really depends on the person. So this is Natralia Anti-Itch Soothing Cream. I've gotten a few things from them, including this Anti-Itch Soothing Cream. So this has colloidal oatmeal and menthol. I have eczema, and I get really, really itchy, even if I don't have a rash. So this is a 3-ounce bottle, and this, when I didn't use this particular bottle, but the one that I got before didn't work for me. Like, when my arms were itchy, they were still itching even after I put this on. It has a light, natural scent, and it's not greasy, so it's good as a hand moisturizer. I'll even use some as a hand moisturizer right now. It's good as a hand moisturizer, but it's because it's non-greasy, but I really don't recommend it for like anti-itch. Or at least for me, it didn't work. It might work for you. But yeah, so it's good that it's non-greasy, and it is a little bit soothing because it has a cooling sensation, but after that, it kind of wears off. Okay, I got 2 more things. So the second to last item is from ECOLIPS. This is Lips Hemp. So this is a different brand than the ECOLIXIR. They're 2 different brands. This is Lips Hemp, and this is a hemp seed lip balm. It is non-GMO verified, USDA organic. Certifications are always great. It's also fair trade. 20% of the ingredients are fair trade. So it has sunflower seed oil, beeswax, cocoa seed butter, and a few other ingredients. And it's vanilla scented. So I have a lot that I'm going to use up, so I'm going to save this until I'm done with those. And the last item is this Kirks Odor Neutralizing Hand Wash. So this is supposed to be eliminating the most stubborn of smells, leaves hands feeling clean and hydrated. So this is fragrance free. I smelt it. It didn't really smell like much. It has a very subtle scent. And this is supposed to be really good for things like onions and garlic and like fish. I think it even says on their website lists those as like the worst offending smells. And it's supposed to work for those. It also has coconut oil and aloe vera, which is supposed to be leaving your hands soft rather than dry. And it has some certifications too. Those are the certifications. So this is a nice little travel size bottle. It's 2 ounces, so you can take it with you. Alrighty, so that is everything inside the box for the month of September. Check out the description box for the links to the products if you're interested, as well as the information for how to get to their website and their Facebook page. And you could check out my other videos as well. I do some DIY, some food videos, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye!